Most people think finding gigs as a creative professional is hard, but the surprising truth is that Hive makes connecting with clients and managing freelance work much easier. Today, I'm sharing an honest review based on my own usage. Hive is a platform for freelancers and creative professionals to showcase their skills, apply for jobs, and manage contracts in one place. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just another job board. In reality, it includes project management tools, payment tracking, and messaging, which helps keep work organized. You won't believe what happens next after setting up my profile and uploading a portfolio. I receive client invitations within days. Hive also allows you to set pricing, availability, and service offerings, giving you control over the type of work you accept. The surprising truth is the platform's efficiency. You can submit proposals directly, track project milestones, and even request deposits upfront. Payments are processed securely through the platform, reducing the risk of late or missed payments. Plus, Hive offers analytics to see which projects and skills are most in demand. Some downsides include that full access to premium gigs may require paid subscription, and competition can be high for certain creative categories. However, consistent quality and an optimized profile significantly increase your chances of landing work. In conclusion, if you're a creative professional looking for streamlined freelance opportunities with tools to manage projects and payments, Hive is worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest reviews of freelancer platforms to grow your career efficiently.